Hey guys, so in this video I'm just going to be going over quickly what a comment is. You may have already seen me do this in my previous videos, and likewise any other YouTube videos of Python that you've watched, but comments in Python generally are used as a hashtag or the pound sign, and the comments will usually describe kind of what's going on if you're not able to kind of understand what's going on with the program itself. Generally, a programmer will go ahead and leave like information about what each part of his algorithm is doing. For example, right here I have, if we print B, we get 1 because B is 1 up here. And likewise, if we print A, we get home because A is up here as well. So just know that if you do see any comments, usually it's good form to go ahead and use kind of real basic to the point. If you can, one-liners, be very direct and precise, and then to go ahead and use the pound sign. Or for longer pieces of input, for example, you could also use the triple apostrophes, and then within this section, you'll go ahead and write out whatever you need to be written out. That's in case you need more, if you need more lines or information. So yeah, so hopefully you guys learned a little bit more about Python programming. If you like, please feel free to check out some of my other Python videos or some of the other videos on my YouTube channel. I want to thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.